Alright, I'm going to try a couple different peppers today. We got the, this is a Thai dragon. This is a Hallows Eve. And I don't want to touch it. I don't want to get it all over my hands. This is a Gator Jigsaw. It's not that big. It's a smaller one. But it's got 3 pieces, so I'll eat all 3. So I've actually already had these. Not too bad on heat. Tastes like a typical Thai chili, I guess. I haven't had the Hallows Eve yet, so we'll try that one. It's an interesting texture and flavor, but I don't know. I don't feel like it was way hotter than the Thai chili. Like, my mouth still feels the same as it. Okay, it's a little bit hotter, but now for the Gator Jigsaw. Let's see how that tastes. Definitely got some heat to it. It's kind of maybe kind of reminds me of a habanero, but also reminds me of maybe, I don't know, kind of like a bell pepper or something, maybe. I don't know. I'm really bad at this telling what something tastes like, but I can tell you it's hot. Definitely hot. Whew. Yep, that was definitely hotter than the other 2 peppers. That's definitely for sure. Whew. Yes, I mean, tastes good. Like I said, I'm really bad at describing the flavors, but I can tell you it tastes good. And I can start to feel the my speech starting to go a little bit as far as being able to use my tongue as well. Yep. Definitely elevating. Which I don't know if it was just from that one pepper or eating all 3. I doubt it was the Thai chili, because I've ate several of those just grabbing them off the plant and eating them. They're not that hot. Hallows Eve, I don't know, because I just ate a Gator Jigsaw right after it. So this is definitely escalating heat versus like just straight on heat. I love you. It's my wife. But yeah, I'll tell you it's probably not as bad as a Reaper. Maybe around the same as a Ghost. Maybe a little bit more than a Ghost. It's been a while since I've ate just a ghost pepper, but yeah, it's pretty hot. I'm sure my stomach's gonna regret that later. But anyhow, yeah, I don't want to just keep the camera on me. I mean, like I said, it's hot. It's probably not as hot as the Reaper I ate. Definitely, I'm pretty sure it's hotter than the ghost pepper I ate, but like I said, it's been a while since I've ate one. And my stomach will probably regret it later. Anyhow, y'all have a good day. Bye.